Introducing the Regalo Easy Step Extra Tall Arch Decor Walk-Through Baby Gate, your ultimate solution for creating a safe and secure environment for your little one. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, this baby gate offers peace of mind for parents while blending seamlessly with your home decor. Standing at a height of 36 inches, this extra tall baby gate provides added security to prevent adventurous toddlers and pets from accessing areas that may pose potential hazards. With its sturdy construction and durable materials, you can trust that your little one will stay safely contained within designated areas of your home. The arch decor design adds a touch of elegance to your living space, making this baby gate more than just a safety barrier, it's also a stylish addition to your home. The bronze finish complements a variety of interior styles, ensuring that it seamlessly integrates into your home environment. For added versatility, this baby gate comes with a 4-inch extension kit, allowing you to customize the fit to suit your specific needs. Whether you're securing a wide doorway, staircase, or hallway, the extension kit ensures a snug and secure fit, providing maximum protection for your child. Installation is a breeze with the included pressure mount kit and wall mount kit. The pressure mount kit offers hassle-free installation without the need for drilling or damaging your walls, while the wall mount kit provides added stability for areas that require a more permanent solution. With its convenient walk-through design, this baby gate allows adults to pass through easily with a simple one-handed operation, while the built-in safety locking feature ensures that little ones cannot operate the gate on their own. Experience peace of mind and style with the Regalo Easy Step Extra Tall Arch Decor Walk-Through Baby Gate. Click the link in the description to learn more and make your purchase today. Keep your little one safe and secure while enhancing the look of your home with this stylish and functional baby gate.